What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Alvin Cailan. Guess what? This is my new season line, SZN. Let's get started. Let's make some food. This is a Filipino street food staple. It's called Chicken Inasal. Usually when you're stuck in traffic in the Philippines, you'll see people pull up with grills on the side of the road, and then they start making this particular chicken. The flavor profiles are spice, annatto, lemon, and tons of calamansi or citrus. We were able to do that all in one seasoning. This is exactly what you'll find flavor profile wise in Filipino street food. And you know, this isn't just restricted to just chicken. You could throw it on anything really. And today, I'm gonna show you how to do the chicken. The process of making amazing chicken starts off 3 days before making chicken, and that's with the brine. Today, we're team wet brine. You're literally just gonna take water and mix it with chicken season. And you can put lemongrass, you can put lemon juice, you can put lemon rinds, you can put chopped up garlic in it. You can put all that, mix it with chicken season, water, and dunk your chicken into it and just leave it there. The chicken has been brined in its flavor jacuzzi, and we're gonna pull out this whole chicken. And make sure that we're taking out all of the brine, and we're just gonna put the chicken, lay it down onto our baking sheet. This is gonna go straight into a preheated 425-degree oven. We're rotating it every 7 minutes. We're probably gonna do it like 7 or 8 times. And then once this hits an internal temperature of 165, we pull it out, let it rest, and then we'll plate it. Cool? Awesome. Let's hit the oven. The chicken is getting nice, acclimated to its nice sauna. It's relaxing, the muscles are getting tender. You wanna get your glaze ready. This glaze is kind of a hack, but also a flavor enhancer because we want the chicken to be evenly golden brown and delicious. We're gonna amplify that by incorporating some of our chicken seasoning. We're gonna add canola oil into a saucepan, and then we're gonna add about a cup of chicken season. And then we're gonna bring it up to a boil, let it steep for about 30 minutes, and then you have your glaze. It's gonna come and look like this. And we're gonna literally baste the chicken every 7 minutes, and we're gonna shellac it. We're gonna create flavor layers. So when you bite into the chicken, you're gonna feel and taste the greatness of our chicken seasoning. Just gonna keep doing that, 7 minutes, every 7 minutes. We're gonna take control of this chicken. It's not gonna control us. 7 minutes, always check your chicken. Set a timer. It's in your phone for a reason. It's time, the chicken is ready. I hope you like it, I hope it comes out good. Yes, it smells good. It's sizzling. Look at the hue. It's beautiful. It has that nice annatto tan. Before we cut into this, we're gonna let it rest. We made a dipping sauce, and this is with soy sauce, calamansi juice, a little bit of fish sauce, and minced garlic. This is literally to make that customizable, perfect bite. We have some cooked jasmine rice. We're gonna throw it right down into the middle of this plate. I'm gonna cut this thigh. Make sure, oh, look at that. It is perfect, juicy. I hope you're hungry. Put it on top of the rice like this. Give it a little push. Put a little bit of the drumstick just like that. And there you have it. This is Chicken Inasal, used with my new chicken season from Spiceology. Make sure you check out the recipe. Make this at home. It is delicious. It's an everyday food. You'll never get tired of it. Enjoy.